Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are great. Myself Chitali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. Welcome in the class. So kids, in the previous classes we have already learnt about capital and small letters A to I. Capital and small letters A to I. So today we will learn to trace and write capital and small letter J. Capital and small letter J. Now take out your Grafalco, open page number 31, mention the date and classwork at the top. Now kids, let's see some pictures related to capital and small letter J. So kids, tell me, what is this? This is a jug. This is a jug. J for jug. J for jug. And this one is J for jeep. This is a jeep. J for jeep. J for jeep. So kids, this one is capital letter J and this one is small letter J. Okay? Now everyone, take out your pencil and hold it properly. Now first we will start tracing of capital letter J. So kids, look here. Start from first line. Make standing line. Curve. Like this. Okay kids, you have to cover all these lines properly. One more time. You have to start from first line. Make standing line, touch second line and turn. This is capital letter J. This is capital letter J. Now let's write on dot. So kids, start from first line, make standing line and turn. Like this. One more time. Start from first line, make standing line and turn. Okay, like this you have to draw capital letter J. One more time kids. Start from first line, make standing line and turn. Okay, again kids, look here. Standing line and turn. Capital letter J. Capital letter J. Again kids. Make one standing line and turn. Like this. Okay. One last time kids. Start from first line. Draw one standing line and turn. So this one is capital letter J. Capital letter J. J for jug. J for jug. Now we will trace small letter J. Small letter J. So kids, this one is small letter J. Now kids, let's start tracing. Look over here. Now we have to start this small letter from second line, okay? So kids, make one standing line and turn. And you have to put dot on it, okay? This is small letter J. One more time kids. Start from second line. Make standing line and turn like this and put a dot on it. Now kids, let's write on dot. Start from this line, make standing line and turn. And you also have to put dot on it like this. Again kids, standing line, turn. then put a dot on it. Yes kids, do with me everyone. Keep your pencil here, make standing line and turn and put a dot on it. This is small letter J. J for Jeep. J for Jeep. Again kids, standing line and turn and put a dot on it like this. Again, standing line, turn, put a dot on it. One last time kids, draw one standing line and turn and put a dot on it. Okay kids, so like this you have to complete pages 31 and 32. Okay kids, now let's see some objects related to capital and small letter J. So kids, look here, what is this? This is J for Joker. J for Joker. Now one more thing kids, tell me what is this? This is J for Juice. J for Juice. Okay kids, I hope you all understood this concept. Now we will trace and write capital and small letter K. Capital and small letter K. So come to page number 34. Okay. Let's see some pictures related to capital and small letter K. So kids, tell me what is this? This is a kite. This is a kite. K for kite. K for kite. Tell me what is this? This is a key. This is a key. K for key. K for key. Okay kids? Now let's write capital letter K. Now let's write capital letter K. Before that we will do tracing. So everyone hold your pencil. First of all we have to make standing line. Touch these lines properly. Then one slanting line from here. One more slanting line from second line like this. Okay, one more time. One standing line. Touch these lines properly everyone. Then slanting line from here. Touch this line. One more slanting line from here and touch it. Okay, capital letter K. Capital letter K. Now let's write on dot. So everyone look here. Start from first line, draw one standing line. Okay, then from here you have to draw slanting line. Touch this line properly. Then from second line you have to draw one more slanting line like this. Again, standing line, slanting line, one more slanting line from here like this. Capital letter K. Again kids, standing line. Touch these lines properly everyone. Then from here you have to draw slanting line. Touch it. One more slanting line. Touch it. Okay? Like this. Again kids, standing line. Like this you have to touch all the lines. Means these three lines. Now from here you have to draw slanting line. One more slanting line. Like this. Again kids, standing line. like this, slanting line, one more slanting line, like this, okay? Like this you have to draw slanting lines. First this side, then this side. One more time, standing line, then slanting line, touch it, one more slanting line. Like this, capital letter K, capital letter K. Now let's do tracing of small letter K. So kids, this one is small letter K, okay? So put your pencil here, draw standing line like this. Then from here you have to draw small slanting line. Then one more slanting line from here. Like this. One more time kids. Standing line. Slanting line. Touch this line. Again slanting line. Touch this line. Now let's write our dot. So kids, draw one standing line. Okay. From here you have to draw one slanting line. Then one more slanting line. Like this. Again kids, standing line. Touch these lines properly everyone. Slanting line from here. One more slanting line. Like this. Small letter K. Small letter K. Again. Standing line. Slanting line. One more slanting line like this. Okay kids? Let's draw again. Standing line. Slanting line. One more slanting line like this. Again kids, look here and do with me. Standing line. Slanting line. One more slanting line. One last time kids. Standing line. Slanting line. Again slanting line and touch it. So this is small letter K. Small letter K. So kids, like this you have to also complete pages 34 and 35 of your Grafalco. Now let's see one object related to capital and small letter K. So kids, tell me, what is this? I already told you now. Kite. This is a kite. K for kite. K for kite. Okay kids, I hope you all understood. So till then, take care. Bye bye everyone. Take care.